Let's look at the advantages of role mining in Saviynt. Saviynt offers a guided process to drive hybrid role mining approach that employs statistical algorithms to find the most optimal role as the output. Using a top-down approach and depending on the mining strategy, one can select all users or a particular department or a logical group of users based on HR attributes. Using a bottom-up approach and depending on the selection of entitlement type level, the system provides you with the next level as its output. If you mine on fine-grained entitlements, the system recommends its next level, that is, coarse-grained entitlement. For example, if you mine on SAP T-code, the system recommends a SAP role. But if you mine on SAP role, the system recommends a business or enterprise role depending on your top-down strategy. You can save the mining engine's initial results to a workbench and then open it in the simulation mode, where you can further dice the results to suit your requirements. Besides providing the user base and entitlements to the mining engine, you can provide references that will further tune the output. These references include usage-based mining. For specific applications that record user entitlement usage, the data can be used as a reference so that the engine only mines on used entitlements. This technique ensures that all legacy unused access is not taken forward. Unused entitlements. In some cases, application owners want to mine on entitlements that are not used and map those entitlements to an ancillary role that is requestable and do not associate these unused entitlements with other roles. Bottom-up business process or business function. If you map entitlements to a business function and map the same entitlements to a business process, use the data as a reference for the mining engine to develop functional roles. Additionally, if there is a rule associated with two or more business functions which can cause a segregation of duty violation, in that case, the mining algorithm takes care of it so that there is no inherent risk within a role. Minimum number of users. This parameter allows you to provide a minimum number of users who should be part of a role, which the mining engine will use as a reference. Minimum number of entitlements. This parameter allows you to provide a minimum number of entitlements that should be part of a role as a reference to the mining engine. For a role analyst who understands how the statistical algorithm works, the system also provides the cluster details to tune the input and references further. To start with Saviynt role mining, navigate to Intelligence, Role Intelligence, and Role Mining. Alternatively, you can search for role mining directly in the menu.